Big, dark clouds rolled across the sky. The wind started blowing hard. The tall grass bent sideways. A storm was coming. Flash! Lightning crackled across the sky. Boom! Thunder rumbled so loud the ground shook. Rain poured down in big, heavy drops. Splish, splash, splish. The grass was soaking wet. Puddles grew bigger and bigger. Oh no! Water poured into Mika's little burrow. Drip, drip, splash. She scrambled out as fast as her tiny legs could carry her. Mika sat on a rock, all alone in the rain. She was so cold. Her ears were flat. Her red bow drooped. She shivered and shivered. Crack! The loudest thunder yet. Mika curled into a tiny ball and covered her ears with her paws. She was so scared. Then, through the rain, thump, 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 big paws. Mika looked up. Leo. He was walking straight toward her through the storm. Leo stood over tiny Mika like a golden umbrella. The rain hit his big back, but not one drop touched her anymore. Very gently, Leo scooped Mika up in his big, warm paw. She was so tiny in his hand. "I've got you," he said softly. Mika snuggled into Leo's warm, soft fur. Rain pattered all around them, but she felt warm and safe against his golden chest. The storm drifted away. Stars peeked through the clouds. Mika's eyes closed. She fell asleep, listening to Leo's big, warm heartbeat. Morning came, golden and bright. Leo was still there. Mika was still sleeping, curled up safe in his soft mane. Best friends, no matter the weather.